Hello! Scientist Kate here with some awesome news. The time is 1808 and I have just discovered a new rare substance called Mercury. The name originates from a Roman god named Mercury himself. Back at the lab, I was able to examine this new substance under a microscope, and I came to find the protons and neutrons and electrons. This element's atomic number is 80, and this element's atomic mass is 200. Using this element on a periodic table would be difficult without a symbol. So we came up with Hg, which came from the Greek hydragnium, which translates to watery silver. By doing some experiments and tests, I noticed that Mercury's melting point is around negative 37 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 37.89 to be exact. In order to purchase any quantities of mercury, you'll have to pay $1.74 for every 100 grams. Also, mercury's density is 2,700 kilograms, which is very high. As you can see, mercury is liquid at room temperature. When you pour mercury onto a substance, it will create droplets, like so, due to its high surface tension. Mercury will be on the 12th group of the periodic table due to its outermost shell of electrons. Mercury is a shiny, silver, chrome-looking liquid. Mercury can be found in thermometers, and the reason it's in thermometers and it can tell your temperature is because when mercury is heated up, it expands. When you were young, you might have remembered your parents telling you, "Don't bite the thermometer." The danger of mercury is its density. Since the density is so high, the liquid and gas forms are highly poisonous if inhaled. You can find it in batteries and fluorescent lights as well. Mercury does not react with water. It reacts with air at 350 degrees to form mercury oxide. Mercury reacts with some halogens and only concentrated nitric acid. Mercury does not react with bases in normal conditions. It does react with chlorine, bromine, iodine, and fluorine. Mercury is not flammable and it produces both gases and salts. Some compounds mercury creates are mercuric oxide, mercuric sulfide, mercuric chloride, and mercuric nitrate to create many of the same thing that plain mercury creates, such as thermometers, fluorescent lights, and batteries. Mercury has 7 stable isotopes, 2 of which are 196 Hg and 198 Hg. Here is mercury's Bohr diagram. It has 80 protons, 121 neutrons, and 80 electrons as well. While some people know that mercury can be used to tell if you're sick, mercury can also make you sick.